Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you an amazing ring magic trick which is very visual and also looks very supernatural, but at the same time it's impromptu and also a little easy to do. You only need to practice the moves a couple of times and then you will be able to do it like me too. So for that reason I suggest you to go through the entire tutorial so that you can perform this trick perfectly, and don't worry, this tutorial won't be long because the secret is really small. Also, this trick has been done by Patrick Kuhn in his reflex routine, but the one that he did is totally different from mine. I mean, the tricks might look the same but the techniques are totally different. The one that he did is a lot easier and involves a little bit of setup, but the one that I'm going to teach you today is impromptu and a little bit hard because you need to practice a little bit the move that I'm going to teach you today. So without any further ado, let's see the performance of this ring trick, then we are going to know how it's done.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Miracle Magicians. Follow them on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Alright guys, this is how the ring trick looks like. Now as you can see, I have this ring. I'm just going to place it on my palm. Now you can see my other hand, it's empty, right? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and then I'm just going to rub the ring and it's going to vanish from my palm and go right over here onto my finger, right? Now this ring is not cut from anywhere. You cannot take it out from either side of your finger. So it's a solid ring, as you can see. It's a normal ring, and that was the ring trick. So let's see how you can do this ring trick. Alright guys, this is how the ring trick is done. Now for doing this ring trick, you cannot use any kind of fancy rings like this, okay? This type of rings won't work because you cannot actually use the move on this type of rings. They are irregular from all sides and they won't actually flip properly into your fingers. So for that reason, no fancy rings, okay? You're just going to use simple rings like this, and also try to omit rings which has that secondary ring above it which rotates all around that ring, because if this secondary ring is present, it's going to make noise when you're actually wearing the ring while doing the trick, and the spectator is going to hear the noise and they are going to know that you have done something with the ring, and for that reason it won't be a magic anymore, it would be just sleight of hand. So just to make it look like magic, you have to wear a simple ring without a secondary ring on it, okay? Now I am wearing this ring because I don't have that simple ring, that ring without the secondary ring, so I'm actually wearing this ring, and for that reason I'm just going to show you the trick with this. And also make sure that you are actually having a ring, that simple ring, with a good amount of thickness, because you're going to use the thickness to actually pressure down and flip the ring into the finger, okay? So you're pressing on one side of the ring, it flips up, and you're actually putting your ring your finger through the ring. So this is how you're actually doing it, okay? This is the main secret. Now that is the technique, that is the physics of the working of this trick, but the main move that you're going to utilize is you're going to keep the ring right over here near your ring finger, okay? Or you can also do it with your pinky finger, and if you want to do it with your pinky finger, you're going to keep this ring from here to here, okay? But it looks nasty, okay? It looks suspicious. For that reason, I'm keeping the ring over here and I'm doing it with my ring finger. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this move, okay? Now you saw that it happens very fast, like in the blink of an eye, but also the hand also shakes if you're actually doing very fast, and these fingers are also curling in. So to omit that, I'm doing it really slow while I'm doing the trick, and okay, I'm doing it really slow while I'm doing the trick, and my hand is also covering that finger bends. So what I'm doing is when I'm bringing and covering up this part, and I'm sure that the ring is now out of view, is now covered from the view of the spectator, I'm going to start doing the bend of the finger, and then I'm going to wear the ring, and then as soon as the ring goes up to this point, I'm going to open up these fingers, then I'm going to turn my hand to this point. Okay, now this is very important to make this trick look very visual. So one more time, while I'm bringing my hand from here to there, at this point I'm doing the entire trick. Okay, so at this point, while I'm bringing the hand, I'm actually wearing the ring under this cover, and then as I wear this ring and I know everything is set, I do that quickly and I know that everything is set, I actually turn my hand from this position to this position so that my spectator can see all my fingers are straight, and they have the illusion in their mind that the ring is still under the cover of this hand, the ring is present over here. But when you're doing some magical gesture and then you're moving your hand away from it, they'll see that the ring is on your finger. So this is what happens in the exposed view. When you come over here, you're wearing the ring, and then after that you're twisting your hand from here to this point, and then you're doing the magical gesture and showing to your spectator that as if you're using magic to transfer the ring from your palm onto your finger. So this is how the trick looks like. As you can see, it looked like that I was rubbing my ring and it went onto the finger. So this is how the trick looks like, and that was the secret, which is this move. Just practice this move a couple of times so that you don't feel uncomfortable while you're doing this move. Okay, it should be smooth as hell, just like this. Okay, the move should be smooth as hell, just like this, and you will be doing this move under the cover of this hand, and then turn this hand just like this and pretend to just put the ring from here to there while you have already done it. And this is how the magic trick looks like. This is how it's done, and that's the entire tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoail Azari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!